5 shots. Make them count. Miss. 1, 2, 3. Alright, get up. Good. That's fine. 3, 6, 9. Alright. There you go. There you go. Full high cover. 2 poppers in the middle. There you go. Reload behind cover. Stay behind cover when you're reloading. Stay behind cover. There you go. Low cover. 3 high, 3 to the right. There you go. Supine, supine. 3 on that target in front of you. Alright, get up. Reload on the move. Reload on the move. Save that hostage. Save that hostage. And holster.